Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn second lesson of Noorani Qaida, which is compound alphabets from Kaf Ba to Kaf Alif. These are compound alphabets in Arabic about which we will learn today. When we write Arabic, the single letters are joined together to form compound alphabets. Also, while writing compound letters, one letter can have different shapes. Therefore, learning the compound alphabets is very important. Kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba. Below is kaf and green is ba. Please try to recognize letters and read after me. Kaf, ba, kaf, ba. Look at red pointer. Kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba. Ba, lam, ba. This is ba, this is lam, and this is ba. Ba, lam, ba. Ba, lam, ba. First letter is ba in blue color, second letter is lam in green color, and third letter is ba in blue color. Ba, lam, ba. Please read after me. Ba, lam, ba. 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 Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. This is kaf and this is ta. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Please read after me. Kaf, ta. Below is kaf and green is ta. Remember, ta has two dots on top. Kaf, ta. Please read after me. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Kaf, alif. First letter is kaf and this is alif. Kaf, alif. Kaf, alif. Kaf, alif. Below is kaf and green is alif. Please read after me. Kaf, alif. 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 Now we have to repeat this lesson without English help and without color coding. You have to recognize these letters without English help. If you don't, you cannot read Quran. I promise you, if you learn these letters, if you recognize these letters, you can learn Quran quickly, inshallah. So let's repeat one more time. Kaf, ba. Please read after me. Kaf, ba. Kaf, ba. Kaf, ba. Kaf, ba. Ba, lam, ba. Ba, lam, ba. If you think you cannot recognize these letters, please rewind this lesson and take help from English for while and color coding. Try to understand, try to recognize these letters. But finally, you have to read, you have to recognize letters without English, without color coding. Ba, lam, ba. Ba, lam, ba. Ba, lam, ba. Kaf, ta. Remember, ta has two dots on top, ba has one dot below. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Please read after me. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Kaf, ta. Kaf, alif. First letter is kaf and this is alif. Straight line is alif. Kaf, alif. Please read after me. Kaf, alif. Kaf, alif. Kaf, alif. We have completed today's lesson. Please practice this lesson 3 times and for 3 days, inshallah, you will learn these letters. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.